Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to cancel a subscription here on GoDaddy. Alright, so first up, just go log into your GoDaddy account. And once you're in here on your dashboard, just go to the top right and click on your profile. Okay, click on it. Now in here, just click on renewals and billing. Click, wait for the page to load. Now, once it loads, you'll be able to see a list of your subscriptions in here. Okay. Now, what you'll do is just go ahead over to the subscription itself. Okay. If you have multiple subscriptions that you wanted to cancel, you can go ahead and use this tick box and select multiple. Okay. As you can see here, you can just go ahead and straight up cancel the auto renewal at the top. Or if you want to cancel and delete it like permanently, you can just go ahead and click on three dots right here, then click on delete my product. Okay, just click on it and there will be a prompt. Just go ahead and tick on this tick box and it says to complete my request, I acknowledge I must open the email. Okay, there'll be an email that will be sent to you in your email address that is connected in this account that will say, yes, I want to delete my account. Okay. Open that email. Once you click on send email right here, open that email and just click on the hyperlink that says, yes, I want to delete. Okay. And that's basically it. That's how you cancel your subscription on GoDaddy. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.